Okay, so here I have a question about a rectangle that gets sort of stretched out a little bit and its area changes. It's very abstract because we don't have the original dimensions of this rectangle. So I'm going to make this an easier question by picking my own dimensions to start with. So for my starting rectangle, I see I'm going to be taking some percentages here. So I'm going to pick the easiest number I can think of to take percentages of, and that is either 10 or 100. I'm actually going to go with both. I'm going to make my original length 10, my original width also 10, and so my area will be 100. You can pick anything you want here. You'll still get the same answer, but you'll have to do a lot more work if you come up with numbers that aren't quite as simple as these ones. All right, so now we're going to make our new rectangle. Our new rectangle here is going to end up longer with a new length and less width here. And there'll be a new area that's a little less. So it looks to me like the length is increased by 20%. That means we should take this 10 and we should multiply it by 1.2 to do an increase of 20%, and that ends up being 12. It looks like the area is decreased by 40%, so take this 100, multiply it by, we're using the 1 minus r formula. So 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. So the new area is going to be 60. So that means the width will be 60 divided by 12. My new width is going to be 5. So I just have to look at my old width and my new width. You might intuitively just know that's a decrease of 50%. If you want to calculate it, you would say 10 times 1 minus r gives you the result of 5, and that would mean 1 minus r is 10 divided by 5 is 0.5. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. R equals 0.5, and so that is a decrease of 50%. All right, and a lot of you maybe knew that before I did all the math. That's okay if you know that when you cut something in half, that's a decrease of 50%. That's a really nice shortcut for you. So this here, we use the number picking strategy to make this question a little bit easier. I think it was the best way to do it.